That's why I keep everything reasonable this whole year. I've been saying no more excuses. No more excuses. Let me see. Can I pull this down while I put my shoe on? Yeah, no more excuses this year because I got everything reasonably priced for you. You can either enter mentorship at $27 or $47, either one. And we meet weekly. I meet with you weekly, either myself or Alexis, our other trainer. One of us is here every week. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to put my shoe on. Oh, are you kidding? Let me do like that so y'all can see me. One of us is here every week. There we go. And we go over topics every week. October had 5 sessions. So, hey, Jasmine. October had 5 weeks, so we did 5 sessions. I don't say, well, you know what? They only gonna get 4 this month. No, every month, however many weeks it is, we meet every week. We meet. Even the week of holidays, y'all. We meet. I'm trying to put this stupid shoe on. Hold on. So what questions do y'all have? I know y'all got some questions. No? There we go. Hold on. I had to put my shoes on. And when you dress good, don't you feel better? So that's why a lot of times I go live when I'm dressed up. See, now I'm a little taller. I got my shoes on. Yes. Your girl's ready to go. Okay, I know I'm about to mess up this name. Abdi Ruff. Hello, hello. How are you? Welcome, welcome. Now I need to get my notary bag because when she comes, we're going to be rolling on 2 feet. So let me go get my bag right quick. She's doing the notarization, but I'm taking my bag just in case we need something. She don't have all of her supplies yet. So I'm going to take my bag with me. Here's my bag. Here's my bag. Let me show y'all one little doohickey that I love too. While we are here. This actually came from my light and gas company. But I do a lot of nighttime notarizations. Y'all know that. Hold on, I'm going to put the selfie stick up. Hold on. So I can show y'all. Okay, there we go. So this right here at night comes in handy. Okay. It's a lantern. And it gives off a lot of light. Because I work all times of night. Typically I end it. I usually start working around 8. But now it's getting dark. So look, all that light. So I got this from my light and gas company. So you might want to get one from Amazon. It's not on the recommended supply list. It shouldn't be. I do have some light on there, I think. But this thing, I love it. So I have this when it's dark. And then also, I've showed y'all my trunk a few times. But this, I don't know if I ever showed y'all this light. This one. And it goes on metal in your car. So let me show you. See how that adds a nice amount of light? I actually have 2 of those. I have 2 of these. Okay? So I'm getting my money by any means possible. So you want to make sure you cut it off. It actually has 3. So like if you're out looking for an address. Now I don't use this for that. I have another flashlight for that. But if I'm out at night and I'm looking for an address, I have another flashlight, because y'all might have heard me one time say we went to the wrong address because the address wasn't clear. So I always have a flashlight. So this needs to be cut off again because it's 3 points. So you got that one. That goes lighter. And then you got one on the tip. So you do want to have a flashlight though. Okay. Yesterday my girl messed up her fingerprinting things. And I'm like, no worries. Because sometimes they're scared to roll because of the ink. They're like, I'm not going to get the ink off. I'm not going to get the ink off. I have wipes. So I have plenty of those. Okay, so I keep wipes in here too. So we went through a little stack of those yesterday. Because I want to make sure they can get that ink off their hands. Because they will panic, honey. They think, oh, I can't get the ink. Let me show you last thing and I'm going to get ready to walk out the front door. I ain't going to leave. Y'all can stay here. Is my fingerprint kit. I got a whole kit. Let me see. Let me lift it up. That's the fingerprint kit. So I have all of my ink fingerprinting supplies in there. So when I'm mobile, like I'm getting ready to go with my sister, if somebody calls me about ink fingerprinting, I'm not going to be able to do that because I don't have that bag with me. Okay. But I love this bag. Hold on. Because it's on wheels. And again, we're going in the hospital. So it gets heavy, you know. That's why I end up getting one on wheels. Now, just starting out, you don't need all that. And my sister did not buy that kind either. Okay. But because I do this full time, and I don't ever know where I'm going to be at, for real. Clarice, you should have asked me this question. I thought you was in mentorship when you asked that question. I said, I think Clarice is in mentorship. Yeah, don't hesitate, Clarice, to reach out in that chat, honey. Are you in the chat? Are you in the chat? Because you should not be asking. I mean, I don't mind you asking questions here live, but I want to make sure we're helping you in real time, huh? Okay? That's what you're paying mentorship for. Real time. You put it in that group chat. Are you in the chat? Hey guys, somebody just gifted me a bag, right? A Coach bag. I gave it to my sister because one, it was not my color. I usually keep everything simple. I do black, but I think they gifted it to me because I've been carrying my fanny pack. And I've just been carrying it since I got back from somewhere a few months ago. It's just easier to carry. So anyway, I'm getting myself together and we're gonna go out this door. I'm gonna let her know I'm live. And I know she might have a few questions. I'll see if she got a few questions. Yeah, Clarice, don't be waiting, honey. That's what you're paying mentorship for. I love helping y'all. So you don't have to wait until you see me here. You got access in the mentorship. Why y'all ain't tell me throw that banana peel away so I can come back and have bugs in the house? I forgot to throw the banana peel away. Okay. So what questions do we have? What other questions? So today I told you I'm going to do a power of attorney with Kay Denise. She's going to be the notary. I'm going to be the witness. I'm taking my bag again because she may need a little assistance. And I always like to have like some Halls or some mints in my bag. Something, you know, be breathing in people's face. I think I'll run upstairs and get a couple. She'll be pulling up any second. Let me put this water bottle so I don't forget it. Oh, she already here, y'all. Gotta go. All right, let's go out here and talk to Kay Denise. Hold on. Oh. All right, I got my bag. Let's go out here and talk to her. See if she feel like talking for me. I know she probably nervous, but she don't have to be nervous. We got this. It's a little chilly here. Sammy says, I'm trying to do mostly Ron, but I don't know what platform is good that has consistent work. Yeah, I'm going to be honest with you, Sammy. You're not going to make all of your money on Ron like that. I really recommend you're able to do a little bit of everything. Ooh, that's some good lighting. Okay. Amazon, hold on. Yeah, I'm going to recommend that you do some general notary work, some loan signing work, ink fingerprinting, apostilles, all of it, okay? You are not going to make all of your money doing Ron. Now, can you make money doing Ron? Yes. But sitting around waiting on them to send you work, you know, Ron doesn't pay as much as when you physically have to go do something. Now, I believe in having it as a nice alternative, okay? I'm live here. I believe in having it as a nice alternative, but I just personally don't think, and I don't even do Ron in my state, so I'm saying this loosely, but I don't know anybody that really just does Ron, and that's all they do, okay? They do it as, can I lay this on the seat? You can. Oh, I'll do it that way. Yeah, that's not all they do, okay? So let me see what's going on. Oh, girl, you look so cute.
You do too. I was just thinking that.
Do you mind being on camera for a minute?
Say hi, Kay.
Hold on, let me select Kay Denise. Say hi, y'all. She look cute.
Hi.
Oh, girl, you are wearing that.
Thank you.
Oh, I love that.
Thank you, sis.
She don't wear red that much.
I don't.
Oh, girl, that look good on you.
Well, thank you. I like black.
Oh, hold on, my ponytail.